Beef and broccoli, a dish that has stood the test of time. It's a dish that needs no introduction, loved by many for its simplicity and flavor, a staple on takeout menus and a beloved comfort food that brings warmth to any meal. But who says you need takeout to enjoy this classic? Why not make it yourself? We're going to create a restaurant-quality beef and broccoli right in your own kitchen, with just a few simple steps. And trust me, it's easier than you think. You'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together. This recipe is all about fresh ingredients and simple techniques that deliver maximum flavor. We'll marinate tender beef to infuse it with savory goodness, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Then toss it with vibrant broccoli in a delicious sauce that ties everything together perfectly. Get ready for a symphony of tastes and textures that will have you saying, "No more takeout." This isn't just a recipe, it's about bringing people together over a delicious, home-cooked meal that everyone will love. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. It's time to reinvent this classic dish. Before we fire up the wok, let's gather our culinary troops. Here's what you'll need. For the beef, 1 pound flank steak, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon black pepper. For the sauce, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, half a cup of water. For the stir fry, 1 large head of broccoli, cut into florets, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, minced, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, it's time to lay the foundation for flavor. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for the entire dish, ensuring every bite is packed with deliciousness. First, we'll give our beef a flavor boost with a simple marinade. Marinating not only enhances the taste but also tenderizes the meat, making it juicier and more succulent. Combine the soy sauce, cornstarch, sesame oil, and black pepper in a bowl. These ingredients come together to create a savory and slightly sweet marinade that penetrates deep into the beef. Add the sliced beef and toss to coat. Make sure each piece is well covered to ensure even flavor distribution. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. This allows the flavors to fully develop and infuse into the meat. While the beef is marinating, let's prepare the broccoli. Fresh, crisp broccoli adds a wonderful texture and color to our dish. Blanching the broccoli helps retain its vibrant green color and ensures it cooks evenly in the stir-fry. This quick cooking method also preserves the nutrients. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. The salt helps to enhance the flavor of the broccoli as it cooks. Add the broccoli florets and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn bright green and are slightly tender. Be careful not to overcook them. Drain the broccoli and immediately rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. This step is essential to maintain the broccoli's vibrant color and crisp texture. This will also help the broccoli retain its crunch, making it a perfect complement to the tender beef in our final dish. Now comes the fun part, the stir-fry. This is where all the ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Make sure the oil is hot enough to sizzle when you add the ingredients. Add the minced garlic and ginger and stir-fry for about 30 seconds, until fragrant. The aroma should be irresistible. Add the marinated beef and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until browned and cooked through. The beef should be tender and juicy. Push the beef to one side of the wok. This will make space for the sauce to develop its rich flavor. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, and water for the sauce. This mixture will add a savory and slightly sweet taste to the dish. Pour the sauce into the empty side of the wok and bring it to a simmer, stirring constantly until it thickens. The sauce should coat the back of a spoon. Add the blanched broccoli florets to the wok and toss everything together until well combined and heated through. The broccoli should be bright green and tender crisp. Serve immediately over steamed rice or noodles. This dish is best enjoyed hot with the flavors melding perfectly. For an extra touch of flavor and visual appeal, garnish with sesame seeds, sliced green onions, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. These final touches will elevate your dish. Enjoy!